Well, I for one do believe that some of the biggest secrets pertaining to our history and where we are today lie buried underneath the sands in Egypt. Now, we have some scientists now coming out and claiming that they're about to scan the pyramids with all this new technology. They're going to look for hidden chambers and other secrets underneath. They're going to use drones, satellites, cosmic rays, all to penetrate and look down underneath the ground. And they're saying they're going to use this technology that has never been used before here, that was used in looking inside of volcanoes. Three-dimensional type of radar equipment where they can see inside. And they say that that will reveal all the secrets that are hidden there. My thing is, I believe this has already been done. It tells me they're now taking steps toward revealing something toward the people. To me, all this has been done. They know what's there. If you listen to the myth or even the folklore, the ancient talk of what happened here, there's talk of even a massive city underground here, Hall of Records. And for those that remember when they were digging and showing it on TV years ago, the room of Osiris or something they found underneath there, and then there was another tunnel heading in another direction and another, and they were filled with water. And they were supposed to go back in air and show us what they discovered down there. They never did. They completely canceled all that. They never took it a single step further. They never said another word about it. And just like everything else they find, it's whisked off to the Smithsonian and you never hear about it again. But they're stating they're going to go looking underneath these pyramids and that it should reveal the mystery. And you can watch this video clip and they show exactly how they plan to go around this whole area, scanning everything. And I, for one, believe that they've already done all this. They're now prepared to start making announcements. They here recently had hinted that they discovered secret chambers next to King Tut's burial tomb and that they believe it could be Queen Nefertiti. They're hinting at these things. There was also a massive find in Greece here recently of a soldier's tomb. Huge treasure discovered with it. There are indeed things out there yet to be discovered, and I believe some of the biggest treasure is in your own backyard because they never talk about it. They don't want you to go looking. I believe the caves, the creeks, the stuff in the woods in your own backyard has stuff buried that is just waiting to be found and discovered. So not all the secrets lie in Egypt, but definitely some of the biggest do, as well as some of the biggest cover-ups. But to me, when looking at the evidence, looking at Mars, looking at Cydonia, seeing this here on Earth, to me, this was more than a tomb. This was built to harness the energy, the inertia of this planet, to store it as a huge energy conductor. And maybe tapped into frequency and every single thing else. But this is the latest in terms of them talking about what they're doing here. Figured I would share it with you guys. It is pretty interesting. Guess we'll just have to wait and see what they're going to disclose to the people. But I'm telling you, some of the biggest finds are yet to be discovered. And I guarantee you, one of you listening to me, there's one out there waiting on you. It's on us to unlock history's mysteries. We're in this together. It's been Dabu7. Eyes open.